Hi friends, welcome to Crackew's video series. Today we are going to discuss the most expected general awareness questions for IIFT exam. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more latest updates. The Government of India has declared which day as Naturopathy Day? The Government of India has declared November 18th as Naturopathy Day in commemoration of commitment made by Mahatma Gandhi, Nature Cure on November 18th, 1945. Next. Atal Tunnel is located in which state of India? Atal Tunnel is located in Himachal Pradesh of India. It is 9 km long tunnel. Zoo infection caused by zoo bacteria, that is Xanthomonas oryzae PV oryzae, causes a serious bacterial disease in which plant? It causes serious bacterial disease in rice plant. The 7 km long tunnel connecting Wayanad and which other district is to be constructed by Konkan Railway Corporation Limited? Wayanad and Kozhikode. It is called Wayanad Kozhikode project. Which is the first union territory to become 100% organic, as all farming is carried out without the use of synthetic fertilizers and pesticides? Lakshadweep is the first union territory to become 100% organic. Which wildlife sanctuary is also called as Mini Kaziranga? Pobitora Wildlife Sanctuary located in Assam is also called as Mini Kaziranga. The famous animal in Mini Kaziranga is, that is in Pobitora, is one-horned rhinos. Horticulture Development Mission was announced by which state government? It was announced by Gujarat state government. In this announcement, the CM of Gujarat, Vijay Rupani, has told that the wasteland of government will be given on 30-year lease for farming of horticulture and other medicinal crops. Which state government has started a direct benefit transfer scheme of power subsidy to farmers? Madhya Pradesh government has started direct benefit transfer scheme of power subsidy to farmers. Which zoo has been recently renamed by Maharashtra government after Bala Saheb Thackeray? Gorewada Zoo has been recently renamed by Maharashtra government. It is located in Nagpur district. Who has been appointed as the next chairman of Somnath Temple Trust? Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been appointed as the next chairman of Somnath Temple Trust. Union Minister of Coal and Mines Sri Prahlad Joshi presented Coal Minister Award to 3 coal companies. Which of the following is one among those 3 coal companies? The 3 companies are Northern Coalfields, Central Coalfields and Western Coalfields. Therefore, the answer is option A. Which bank has gained after the board accepted the reappointment of Vishwavir Ahuja as MD CEO? RBL Bank has gained Vishwavir Ahuja as MD CEO. RBL is Ratnakar Bank Limited. Its headquarters is in Kolhapur, Maharashtra. The Union Cabinet chaired by the Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi has given its approval for 850 megawatt Ratle hydroelectric power project located on which river of Jammu Kashmir? It is located on Chenab river of Jammu Kashmir in Kishtwar district. Institute of Nuclear Medicine and Allied Sciences and which other company handed over Rakshita, a bike-based casualty transport emergency vehicle, to Central Reserve Police Force? The other company is DRDO. DRDO was established in 1958. Its headquarters is in Delhi. Minister of State for Culture and Tourism Sri Prahlad Singh Patel inaugurated excavation site in which district of Madhya Pradesh? He inaugurated excavation sites in Jabalpur district of Madhya Pradesh. To download IIFT previous papers, please do visit our website CrackU. Kerala has been in which position in the country to successfully undertake ease of doing business reform stipulated by the Department of Expenditure and Ministry of Finance? It was in 8th position. Sri Mansukh Mandavia, Minister of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, has chaired a review meeting for the implementation of Ramayan cruise tour on which river in Ayodhya? On Sarayu river in Ayodhya. Who among the following is the World Entrepreneur of the Year 2020? Kiran Mazumdar Shah of Biocon is the Entrepreneur of the Year 2020. Ajay Tyagi is the chairman of which organization? Ajay Tyagi is the chairman of SEBI organization. SEBI is Securities and Exchange Board of India. It is established in 1992 and its headquarters is in Mumbai. IKEA is headquartered in which country? IKEA is headquartered in Netherlands. Sections 121 to 130 of Indian Penal Code tells us about offences against the state. Which bank has recently got approval to set up a non-financial subsidiary? South Indian Bank has got approval to set up a non-financial subsidiary. South Indian Bank is a Kerala-based bank. Its headquarters is in Thrissur city. Who has launched the Transparent Taxation Honoring the Honest? Narendra Modi has launched the Transparent Taxation Honoring the Honest. The Institute of Forest Genetics and Tree Breeding is located in which state of India? It is located in Tamil Nadu state of India in Coimbatore. The S-400 air missile has been sent to India by which of the following countries? It has been sent to India by Russia. Vansda National Park is located in which state of India? Vansda National Park is located in Gujarat state of India. The famous animal here is Indian leopard. International Day of Innocent Children Victims of Aggression is observed on which day? It is observed on June 4th of 1982. Khantam Bamboo Dance is a famous folk dance of which Indian state? It is a famous folk dance of Mizoram state. The capital of Mizoram is Aizawl. What is the name of the book about the biography of Pullela Gopichand, the famous badminton coach of India? The World Beneath His Feet is the name of the book about biography of Pullela Gopichand. CrackU is providing 5 latest pattern IIFT mocks. Please do check our website to enroll them. Dudhsagar waterfall is located in which state of India? It is located in Goa state of India. The capital of Goa is Panaji. Mahatma Gandhi Setu Bridge in Bihar is inaugurated by Indira Gandhi in which year? It has been inaugurated in 1982. Merdeka Cup is related to which of the following sports? It is related to football. It is founded in 1957. Ramsar Convention is associated with the conservation of wetlands. It is established in 1971 and it was effective since 1975. World Wetland Day is observed on 2nd of February. Which of the following ecosystems is the most stable ecosystem? Ocean has the most stable ecosystem since their volume is huge. Minor shifts are not easily felt when compared to all other ecosystems. Way of life is the tagline of which of the following companies? Way of life is the tagline of Maruti Suzuki company. E-Kisan Dhan application has been launched by which of the following banks? It has been launched by HDFC Bank. Which of the following state government has launched the app Self-Scan, which is an alternative of CAM Scanner? West Bengal state government has launched this app as an alternative to CAM Scanner. What is the national animal of China? Giant panda is the national animal of China. Tiger is the national animal of India. Markhor is the national animal of Pakistan. And American bison is the national animal of America, that is USA. Which app has got a green signal from National Payments Corporation of India to launch its UPI payment systems of Indian users? WhatsApp has got the green signal from National Payments Corporation of India. In which year did the Battle of Plassey took place? It took place in 1757. The Bibi Ka Maqbara is a tomb located in dash. It was built by Azam Shah, son of Aurangzeb in 1678. It is located in Aurangabad. Which is representative of Dravida style of temple architecture? Women is the representative of Dravida style of temple architecture. To download IIFT previous papers, please check our website CrackU. Ramcharitamanas is an epic poem written in which language? It was written in Awadhi language. Where is Pushkar Fair held? Pushkar Fair was held in Rajasthan. Which is the first Hindi newspaper of India? Udant Martand is the first Hindi newspaper of India. Konkani is the official language of Daman and Diu and Goa. Which city is located on the banks of the river Alaknanda? Badrinath is the city located on the banks of the river Alaknanda. CrackU is providing 5 latest pattern IIFT mocks. To enroll them, please do visit our website. Telugu is the official language of Andhra Pradesh. The Leaning Temple of Huma is dedicated to Lord Shiva. The second largest manufacturer of CDs, DVDs and other optical media in the world is Moser Bear. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to our channel for latest updates and also please do like, share and comment. Thank you.